In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money watching video ads, $10 till $20 per hour. Yes, right, $10 till $20 per hour just by watching video ads. Some really cool videos, some really funny videos. You can start making money online just by watching videos. You don't need any skills, any experience, just like this. Please keep watching. Hello, this is Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and earning money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel. Be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. This is the website that I'm gonna share with you today in this video. You can earn $20 per hour just by watching videos in this website, and this is really a legit website, and you can start making money online today after watching this video. It's so easy, and you just start watching really cool videos. You know, it's not boring videos or something like this. It's really cool, it's really funny videos up here, and you can start watching really funny videos today and earn money while you're watching some cool videos just like this. As you see, I'm gonna show you some videos here. You know, there are some really cool videos on this website. And as you see, my dog throws a party, and you need to like the video, share, and also leave a comment below these videos on this website to earn points. First, you earn points on this website, then you need to redeem them to cash, and you get paid and you get cash via PayPal account. You can start watching videos and earning money. There are different videos, different categories. There are really funny videos and cool videos, and when you sign up in this website and on this homepage, it's here you see there are some really cool videos. If you click here, browse all, you come over here, you see some categories here: adventure, best life, celebrity, food, gaming, and some more you can see here, and you can click on each video you like. And then for example, different videos you can see here, and you see you need to like the video, share, and leave a comment to earn points. It's really necessary. You need to do them to earn points, and then you need to redeem the points to cash, and you can get paid via PayPal. The website that I share with you today is hideout.tv. hideout.tv. This is the website as you see here, hideout.tv. You can come here and sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook, or choose a username, enter your username, email address, and also enter your password. Then take here and I want a robot and sign me up. That's all that you need to do on this website to start making money. And also, you know, you need another website, a sister website for this website, to connect them to each other, because in this website just you earn points. You need to redeem your points to cash. So you can go to earnably.com, and you can sign up here and start earning money on this website. Also, you know, you should connect this account in this website to hideout.tv, or also you can directly come here on this website, earnably.com, and start watching videos on this website, and you don't need to go to hideout.tv. Also, you need to have an account on hideout.tv. It's necessary to have an account on hideout.tv. You need to make an account here, sign up here, and then go to Earnably or sign up in Earnably. And also you can go directly after signing up on these two websites. You can directly come to this website, earnably.com, and start watching videos here without going to hideout.tv, because they work with each other and they connect to each other. And then in this website you can, as you see here, redeem. You click on redeem, and then you redeem your points to cash, and then you can get paid via PayPal, and you can create an also PayPal account. It's completely free, and you can start making money online today just by watching videos. If you're really looking for how to make money watching video ads, you can start making money online today after watching this video just by watching video ads. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click. Subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Subscribe our channel. Click, subscribe, click. I'm waiting for you. Click, subscribe, click.